The Special Crime Unit of the Commissionerate Police on Friday seized 6 firearms in Bhubaneswar while foiling an attempt to sell weapons allegedly brought from Bihar. One dealer has been arrested in connection with the case and a quantity of ammunition has also been recovered, police said. The operation was carried out when a weapons deal was reportedly underway in the city. The arrested accused has been identified as Manoj Kumar Malik, alias Pappu of Jajpur district. According to police sources, Malik had earlier been arrested in a similar case and was later released. Despite this, he allegedly resumed his criminal activities and was operating in the Chandaka area of Bhubaneswar. Acting on specific intelligence inputs, the Special Crime Unit kept the suspect under surveillance before carrying out the seizure. Preliminary investigation indicates that the firearms were sourced from Bihar and were intended to be sold in Bhubaneswar. The police are now investigating who was supposed to purchase the weapons and whether a large criminal network is linked to the racket. Officials said all possible angles are being examined to trace the supply chain and identify other individuals involved. The Commissionerate Police stated that the Special Crime Unit is maintaining strict vigilance on illegal arms trafficking and related criminal activities in and around the capital city.
आज आउ जने लोक को जो जाजपुर लोक मनोज कुमार मलिक से धरा पड़ी एवं 6टा ऑटोमेटिक सेमी ऑटोमेटिक पिस्टल रिकवरी है, 10 राउंड एमुनिशन रिकवरी है, मोबाइल फोन्स अन्य जिनिसटा रिकवरी है। इंटरोगेशन चालू जे आने के क्या आगे सप्लाई कर कि तथ्य मो पाखे अच्छी जहाँ एवं एटा करि परिबुनी आगु